looking at a tub center by Emergood. They make this tub center specifically for the White Mountain freezer. Many of you have a White Mountain freezer like this. One of the parts that often goes bad in the White Mountain freezer is the tub center. Tub center is the bottom part where the can rides on. To install a new tub center, first take your screwdriver or something, mark the holes, and press an indentation into the wood. Makes it easier to start the screws. Screws are down in the tub, it's kind of hard to get to. Have that done, put your tub center in using fluted stainless steel screws. Tighten down your tub center. Now, new tub center in place there. If you want to check to see if it fits, one thing you can do is get a hold of the top of the can and make sure you can lift up a little bit. If you cannot lift up at all, that means, or if it's pressing against the top of the gear frame, that means you have another problem with your fitting there. You need to order a thinner tub center to lower the base. If it is so far apart that it's not catching properly, we do offer spacers as well, special order those to raise the tub center and also raise the can so it connects with the gears a little better. But this tub center here will last as long as a freezer, or longer actually, and it's a way to revitalize your White Mountain freezer.